tries to surprise her.
All right, Ellen.
Ellen starts now. Here she is now, Ellen DeGeneres.
What do you want?
Hey man, what's going on?
I'm trying to watch Ellen.
So, we are going to the lake right now. I'll give you 5 minutes to get your bathing suit on. There's gonna be cold soda, sandwiches. My mom's outside, she's gonna drive us.
Yeah.
So what do you say?
Yeah, that sounds cool. Yeah, but I don't know. Ellen's on, and yeah, I don't like going to lakes anymore after what happened last time.
What happened last time?
Well, what happened when I was a little kid? I went to the lake with my family, and then...
Dude, that's from Mac and Me.
Huh?
Yeah, Mac and Me. It was made in 1988. Horrible movie.
Are you calling me a liar, Matt?
No. It's with that douchebag crippled kid and then the little alien. You know, just think a little bit further.
And I did some yoga and
Dude, I thought that was my life this whole time.
No. You ready to go? Yeah! Woo! Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Dude, I've never even sat in a wheelchair.
I thought you have.